What is Drupal? Drupal is one of the top content management softwares. Drupal is used to make many of the websites and web applications which we use every day. Like easy in using content authoring, excellent security, reliable performance, flexibility and modularity is one of its best core principles. Best feature is the Drupal project is open source software. Drupal can be used to build the versatile and structured content that dynamic web experiences need. Drupal is also a best choice for creating integrated digital frameworks. Drupal can extend it with any one, or many, of thousands of add-ons. Modules expand Drupal's best functionality. Themes let you customize your content's presentation without any coding. No other content management software is this powerful and scalable. Stay tuned for my next Drupal classes from basic to advanced concepts on myagrittutorial.com or ANILTECHIE.com or YouTube channel.